At age 20, you're at the perfect point to build your future. But most people make one big money mistake that destroys their 20s, and they don't realize it until it's too late. Today, I'll tell you the worst money mistake at age 20 and how to avoid it. Most 20-year-olds spend money like the future doesn't exist. New phone, new clothes, parties, subscription after subscription. The mistake? They think small expenses don't matter, but they add up fast. People in their 20s don't feel the impact now, but at 30, they look back and regret every unnecessary purchase. Tip: before buying anything, ask yourself, will this matter in 6 months? The biggest financial loss in your 20s is not the money you spend, it's the money you fail to earn. Most people stay stuck at low-paying jobs because they never learn a skill like video editing, coding, sales, graphic design, content creation, digital marketing. Your 20s are the best time to learn skills. If you don't invest time now, you lose years of income later. The next huge mistake is having just one income source. If your job is lost, your income drops to zero. Wealthy people always build side hustles, freelancing, online income streams, passive income. You don't need to start big, just start something. Most 20-year-olds save nothing. One emergency, phone breaks, health issue, family problem, and they get into debt instantly. Rule: save at least 10 to 20% of any money you earn. You'll thank yourself later. The worst money mistake is not learning about money at all. No budgeting, no saving, no investing, nothing. If you don't control money, money will control you. Even 10 minutes a day learning finance can change your entire 20s. Your 20s can make you or break you. Avoid these mistakes, build smart habits, and your future self will be proud. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.